be doing an Urban Outfitters haul. It's gonna be quick. I don't think I got too much stuff, but we gonna see. I had to go shopping during their Black Friday sale because they was having door busting deals and I had to get right. So here we are. Y'all finna see, y'all finna be a part. Let's get into this haul. I got 3 different bags. I don't know which bag I should start with. OMG. Ooh, this is probably so stupid and pointless to y'all. I was super excited about these. It's just underwear, but like, come on, look how cute that is. A little boxer, little whatever. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Very cute, very stretchy, very soft. I like this. The original price for these was $10. I got this for like $1.99 because of the Black Friday sale. Come on, Victoria's Secret not doing it like this. But yeah, how cute is that? 70% rayon, 20% nylon, and then 10% spandex. So that rayon, yeah, I'm gonna have to give me some more rayon undergarments because this is something special. I just got some basic white ones because like you can never have too many white underwear. It's pretty soft. The material is not like, ooh, it's from Sri Lanka. The material isn't as soft as the last ones that I just pulled out. I'm trying to see what the material on this girl is. It says it's 93% body. I don't know what material is body, but this is 93% body material, whatever that is. So got these. Next, I have this top, which y'all already seen this if you have seen it. And if you haven't seen it, go to my very first video ever, which was an Urban Outfitters haul. I got this same exact top, but in pink. And then I seen it on sale in black and I was like, might as well. Because I really like the pink one, I like how it sits. It says that it's on sale for $14.99, but I definitely got it for like $5 or something like that. I'm pretty sure I got this for $5. But yeah, I'm gonna try it on for y'all. I like this top, but yeah, do a quick little spinneroo so you can get a vibe for it. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna try the next thing on. The black is easier to match than the light pink color that I have. So like, I'm very happy with this purchase. I don't have many tops that look like this. So I feel like this is a great addition to my closet. And yeah, I have absolutely no complaints about this top. I think it's super cute. It's super comfortable. I could lift my arms up, do all that good stuff. It was a 10 out of 10 before, and it's a 10 out of 10 now. So now I'm gonna try on the next thing, which is, let's see, this skirt. Now I'm slightly confused because, okay. This skirt right here. And I'm gonna get a stool so you can see me because I am not where I was filming before. You're not gonna get a full body, Pookie, I'm sorry. I've retrieved the stool. Okay. Now hopefully y'all can see this. And if not, I'm gonna just have to re-record it again. So the Nike is a little bit distracting. This is how it looks, essentially. Speaks for itself. It's the lace material. It has like little lace details on the bottom. It's pretty basic. I just thought it would be cute to add to my closet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But here's the slit I was talking about. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, it's pretty basic. Like, I really don't have to go too crazy with showing y'all, I feel like. That's cute. On to the next. I have no idea. I can't remember what I got. So I got this cute sweater vest and I got it on sale, of course. I'm a bargain shopper. The original price is $49. I paid nowhere near $49. But look how cute this is. Like with a little white button up and a little mini skirt. Come on. So I'm gonna try this on for y'all. And yeah, I love the color. I love how it feels. It's not that itchy material. I was a little scared that it was gonna be that itchy material because, you know, sweaters be like that sometimes, especially sweater vests in my experience. The only thing is this is a little gappy, but like, that's not a super huge deal because I'll probably wear something underneath it anyway. Don't love the fact that it's like this. I think that's kind of crazy, but I think it's cute. It's gonna get some wear. And yeah, On to the next item. Very cute, very stylish. One more 360. To the next. Ooh, it's heavy too. So this top, the original price is $79. I got this top for $7. One more time. The original price of this top is $79. I got it for $7. I couldn't leave it. Oh, this is fire. Wow. This is a size small, by the way. It's just like that oversized type look. This one right here, the material's giving, everything is giving on this. This is not something, I don't have anything like this in my closet at all. So like I am super, super happy that I ended up buying this. Go Troy, go Troy. I'm gonna relax, my bad, my fault. But like, come on, I don't have anything like this in my closet. I feel like Fresh Prince. Like, what the heck? This is so cute. Like, I don't even know what to say about it. I love the color, it's very loud. It's not black. You know, and I always got black on, and I absolutely freaking love it. You could zip it down if you're trying to be scandalous. You could zip it up, depending on how you like. What? I'm probably gonna keep it zipped down though. I think zip down's way cuter. But I digress. This right here, me love it. Don't play with me, because I might wear it as a dress. What? I can wear this as a, can I wear this as a dress? I feel like I can wear this as a dress. Y'all see the material? I'm gonna try on the next thing, which is, now I had my eye on this for a minute. So the original price of this is $89. I got this for $7. So like it was hard for me to like leave it. I don't know, like I seen it and it was $14. And then on Black Friday, they had an extra sale on top of sale items and it made it $7. So I was like, it was like extra 50% off on sale items. I was like, yeah, you know what? I need you in my closet. Yes, it might look a little stupid right now. It might not look what you expect it to be, but I'm hoping it's cute. It looked cute on a girl. I'm picturing it with a grungy look. You know, whenever I'm feeling like I wanna be a grungy girly, I'm gonna put these on. But let's see. So, these, I actually like them. They're very cute. They seem like they catch dust though. Yeah, I rock with these pants. They're very cute. 10 out of 10. Not surprised. Everything in this haul was a 10 out of 10. And yeah, I have nothing else to say, bro. I have nothing else to say, bro. Nothing. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed my Urban Outfitters haul. If you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.